Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am in Vasant Vihar, uh, and normally when you mention the name of Vasant Vihar, people think of a posh residential neighborhood in Delhi, in South Delhi, which it is. Also you think of Priya Cinema, which is now PVR Priya, and that complex which is Basant Lok Market, which is seeing a bit of resurgence now. It's become like a very beautiful high street market. A lot of new stores have opened. But when I mention Vasant Vihar, uh, people do not think of history and historical monuments, and that's a mistake because today I am in this park, this beautiful park which has been redeveloped right next to Basantok Market, which is also called Priya Complex. So you see this beautiful complex, and you can see behind me historical structures. So let's take a closer look. There is a lot of history in Vasant Vihar area, and just to give you an idea, about uh, how old the place is. Vasant Vihar is recent, like it was created when New Delhi got created in the 50s and 60s. But uh, there is a Basant Gaon which is next to Vasant Vihar, which has existed for like hundreds of years, and that village is still there. But anyway, you can have a look at the monuments behind me. They are quite well preserved, and let us take a closer look at these monuments. So this is the main structure here. Um, there are three structures in fact in this complex. There is a Gumbad which I will show you. You can have a look at the Gumbad. It will remind you of Sheesh Gumbad and Bada Gumbad of Lodi Garden, which is kind of fair because this monument was also built during Lodi period, which is around 15th century, around 1480, 1490 Christian era, 500 years back. So you can have a look at, so that's the Gumbad. Then this area is, this structure is called Baradari, which is kind of a guest house. And this Gumbad, by the way, is called Bada Lao Ka Gumbad. Bada Lao probably was a nobleman or a functionary in the Lodi kingdom. So yeah, you can have a look at it. And there is a Baradari, and then there is also a mosque here, which is on the other side. We'll go there also. And it's a beautiful garden, very peaceful. You should definitely come here and experience this structure. In fact, there are quite a few structures here. So you can have a look at it. I am now at this another part of the park. It's a very interesting part. It is called Poetry Garden, Bage Sukhan, and this area is dates back to Tughlaq times. And during Tughlaq times, there were two poets who were very well known. One was Amir Khusro. So you can see this Poetry Garden, Bage Sukhan. So there were two poets. One was Amir Khusro, who is very well known. Other was Hafiz. So Khusro was obviously is known as the father of Urdu poetry, and Hafiz was more of a Persian poet. So you would find their poetry here in this garden. So you can see this. So on each of these pillars, you will find poetry from that time. It's a beautiful concept, and it reminds you of those historical times. Tughlaq period was around 1300 to 1400, which probably makes it now more than 700-year old. So yeah, so this is that Poetry Garden, and then there are other structures also in this garden. I will take you there also. We will walk around, but it's a beautiful experience coming here. Walking around the park, you can see there are some very beautiful structures, and the park is itself very nicely laid out. It's quite a surprising discovery because people talk about Lodi Garden, Sundar Nursery, but this is quite interesting. You should definitely take time and come to Vasant Vihar and come to this beautiful garden. You can see this structure, which is like a small amphitheater, very peaceful, people sitting around here. And we'll walk some more. I walked around the garden. I enjoyed it. Very peaceful, very beautiful, very well maintained. Um, I wish more people would come here to Vasant Vihar to check out the historical heritage and this beautiful park. Very well maintained, very green. Um, it's a part of Delhi which more people should explore. I love coming here. So I'm glad that I could share this with you. So yeah, thank you very much for watching my video. I'll be bringing you more of the stuff from around Delhi. So yeah, keep tuning in, and thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.